welcome back. Okay, last last stream we got this bridge going on, and now I just want to work a little bit on the tower. Still, the bridge still needs a lot of work, but want to get a little bit of more detail on the tower. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put my reference around here. I just wanted to make a little stream before go to bed. Okay, I want to close these walls. Let's see how it goes. Hello, Head, how are you? Just doing a quick stream before going to bed. Tomorrow I got some guys coming into the apartment. They're going to do some reparations, so I cannot go to bed too late.
This timing is perfect for me, bringing face with sweat.
Nice. Yeah, I've been changing my schedule a lot. It's I did very good last Sunday. Was very nice. I got a lot of people on the stream. Hopefully tomorrow is going to go well. Hopefully I can do a long stream tomorrow. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I really wanna see if I can push this tower. On the other stream I worked on this bridge. I still need to figure out how to get the water working. I need to ask Ryu how that works with the water flux plugin. that'll be very, very nice. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Just trying to close a little bit of these walls. To see how this is going to look. Let's see. Something like that. Dun, dun, dun. Maybe a little bit more like this. Okay, here we got this other one which I don't need. We got this space right there. Okay, now I'm just gonna make yeah, one more, and I think I can just duplicate. This needs to be on 0. I mean minus 90 on rotation, and then I can just duplicate this one, push it around here. And then I should be able to duplicate these 4 and right click transform on X, Y, there you go. Now I need to find the sweet spot. I think that's kind of nice. Okay. I think that I might be able to make these walls a little bit taller. Yeah, I think that's nice. I'm gonna select all of this. Something like this. This thing, I'm not sure about this. these gaps right here. Okay, maybe I can close that by this geometry. Let's see if it allows me to just scale it up so it closes those gaps. Just a tiny bit. That's kind of cool. Okay. Just going to redo the UVs. On box, reset. Nice. Oh, are those floating? Yeah, some of those walls are actually not touching the floor. Let's see. Kind of strange. Okay. Yeah, this might be a little bit, again, too wide open. That's kind of nice. It looks pretty cool from the inside. Here we also have some very weird stuff happening. Yeah, this needs a base. I need to close this up. Okay, let's see, maybe getting cylinder right here. This cylinder, I want to align it with this. Just gonna copy that location, paste it, and I need something that covers this thing right here. So something very big like this. That's kind of nice. Yep, that's good. And then I need it to be, it's gonna cover those little windows. Okay. Yeah, I kinda wanna just cover up this. Let's see. Yeah, I think um, I think we can just cut it here. Make it a little bit smaller. So we get the detail. It's kind of nice. Oh, this is not aligned. Supposed to be aligned. Let's see. Oops. Something like this. Let's go up a little bit like this. Okay, cool. That covers the thing right there. It looks pretty cool. Let's see. Okay, I see. I need to actually cover this up. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this one. I'm gonna make it smaller and see if I can cut it. But leaving a little space. I think this might work. Nope. Oops. Yep, just tiny space. Maybe even smaller. Maybe something like this. I mean, a little bigger space. I see. From this size. Okay. What happens if I go here? Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to duplicate those just in case. I'm gonna save them there, and I'm gonna make a little test. Oh, I see. Huh. Very weird stuff. It's not perfectly aligned. Let's see. This is not a perfect circle. Okay. We got it scaled differently. That's a problem. Now we got a perfect circle. But thinking how to cut this. just gonna delete this one, make a copy of this other one, and I'm gonna make a test, which is the other way. Okay. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. Yeah, I like the shape. Not from the outside though. I need to cut that. Need to cut that from the outside so it looks. Nicer.
So,
Hey Titan, how are you? Creating a little tower. Yeah, we don't need this anymore.
what type of game are you working on?
This is a Souls-like kind of. It's like yeah, like a Souls-like game where you're supposed to nice where you're supposed to beat different arenas and gear up. So it's going to take place in Rome, but in the future. It's like a Rome in 2007 and 70. So it's going to be this game where you're a gladiator and you need to. This is like a cheat code that I'm using just to fly around a little bit faster. So you're supposed to beat enemies, and
Looks awesome.
I appreciate it. Yeah, this is a game that Ryu is the main game, let's say, director, and like the guy who came with the idea, and it's like basically his project, and I'm helping with the level design. So it's pretty nice to have this project to work with. Let me see if I can activate a little bit the weather. This is nighttime. We have this kind of like and there's a lot of enemies, like different enemy types, which is super cool. And one of the coolest things that caught my attention was the fact that you can go and pick up anything that you see your enemy is wearing. Oh, let me see. I always mix up the commands. I got some enemies around here.
Okay, so you're a level designer. That's nice.
Yeah, I will say I do environment art, but now I'm helping with the blockout. Oh, this guy heals, and he drops things. You can pick them up. Oh, damn it! Wow, he got me pretty quick. But yeah, it's pretty nice. So I've been helping with this area right here, the docks, and this kind of storage area where the goods come from the coast. This is like the main storage area for the island, and then there's this little arena for the people in the village. All these build
LOL face with tears of joy.
yeah, all these buildings are part of the village, and here there's like a little kind of we want to make it like some kind of like temple kind of thing, and here there's the market. Hey Uni, what's up? I like this market a lot. This came out pretty nice. And today I worked on this bridge, which still needs a lot of work.
So nice.
And thank you, Uni. And here there's like this tunnel that goes into the main city. So here's somewhere around there in the back is like the Emperor Castle. Yeah, this was a little bit more advanced. It's just
How long have you been developing the game for?
just a couple of days. This game has been, I mean, Ryu has been working on the game for like 8 months or something. But I got into the blockout. I've been working the blockout for a couple of weeks. I have everything on my YouTube. It's been like I need to see, but I think it's around I don't know how many hours I've been working on this, but thankfully that's the good thing about streaming the process, because you can really you can really know how much time you put into something. But it's been not a lot of time, just starting with the process. I'm gonna try to cut that out. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Just getting the checking what works, what doesn't, and then we're gonna take these pieces into Maya and make them modular and really refine them, and then we can texture them and just really come up just with the final thing, so we can import it back to Unreal and start making it look super nice. I'm really excited about seeing how we're gonna implement the futuristic aspect of things into the game, because let's see what's going on here. I need this one and this one. I'm gonna just duplicate these for now. So it's going to be Rome in 2070, but I mean they're going to have electricity and stuff, so it's pretty interesting. Oh, I see. Oh. Yeah, this Boolean operation, I need to think how should I cut this without cutting it here. Oops. Yeah, this shape is a little difficult. Maybe I can. And well, the coolest thing is that all the assets and everything that you see, well, right now I think there are some Cinti assets, like a few of them in the market, and some statues somewhere, but most, like, the idea is to like make everything original for the game, so that's pretty nice. It's it's like this kind of Rome punk style. It's like imagining that Rome never stopped existing and they now have electricity, and it's a little bit futuristic. That's going to be pretty fun. Okay, here I'm not gonna cut it there. Yeah, let's try this boolean to see how it looks. Okay, what happens if I push this here? Yeah, just a little bit, like this. I can, yeah, that kind of works. But I think it's more interesting if I give it a little bit. I think that's kind of nice. I think that works better. Okay. Let's see from the inside. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So this tower is like a lighthouse. So it's going to be part of a quest where you need to like turn it on, because it's missing some like it's missing some stuff that you need to like figure out to like power it back on. And the original idea was to make it like broken, so it's part of it is broken and you need to climb up like parts that are just ruins of it, which is pretty cool. So most likely that's what I'm going to do with this. Once I have the main mesh, I'm going to break it down, probably using the fracture tool just to get some nice chunks, and then transforming those into static meshes, and then I will give it a little bit more detail using booleans. So we get like that kind of like nice broken pieces. All right, let's see. Also, I really wanna work the vegetation and stuff. I mean, there's already some nice vegetation, but it will be very nice to do some plants as well. But those are details for later. The good thing about this project is that the idea is to have a playable demo by August of next year, so it's pretty nice to have some kind of deadline. Really, it's very nice to actually. What happened here? Okay, there you go. It's very nice to work on a project with a deadline. Yeah, it's pretty important actually. When you're working on a project and you have no deadline, things just carry on. I mean, they just you never know when things are going to actually get finished. Oh, what is this? Oh, this needs to be here. Okay, cool. Yep. And the last one will be this one. Great. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, cool. Nice. I'm thinking, do we need... Well, those shapes are a little bit too crazy. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit away from the reference. Yeah, I need to... I see the problem. I see the problem. Those are supposed to be a little bit more like this. Let me just check something. I think I made them too wide. They're supposed to be a little bit like this, but I still need to keep that shape, the round top. That's important to make it as round as possible. But for now, it's kind of cool. Yeah, it looks way better. I need to just copy the... Is this a group? Okay. Oh, it still has a scale. So... yeah, I wanna copy this scale right here. Let's see what happens. For some reason it's not... Is it because it's inside a group or something? Which... Let's just unlock it for now. Get this scale. What? Oh, is it because it's on another axis? So is it this scale? Oh yeah, I was just copying the wrong number, the wrong axis. Is it this one? Yes. Now. Oops. Okay, cool. One more. This one is this right here. Nice. Okay. And I think that's not... oops. One more here. There you go. That looks nicer. It might be too pushed away. Oh, I see. I think I need to try to make it a little bit... Yeah, I think I might need to Mm, oh, really? Okay. Maybe I need to cut this into two pieces so I can scale this up a little bit, like just like that. So the shape goes down. That looks nicer. So yeah, I'm just gonna copy this one and make one box right here, and this box should just gonna make it like this. I'm gonna get one of those copies and cut it here. Let's see, is it model boolean? The other way around, okay. Okay, now we have this shape. This super huge ring, and then this one I can push it a little bit. Okay. Hey all, how are you? And here let's see, this one, okay, this one we can cut it up, but it kind of gives like this kind of detail there. Nice. Yeah, this is a very weird shape. Actually, this boolean is very I want to see what happens if I come here and okay, actually we can use this to extrude a little bit out, maybe like this. Nope. Let's see. Maybe the best way to do this is selecting the loop, but okay, let's say I want to extrude something like this. Maybe less, something like this. So let's select this, and this. Okay, now I'm going to go into extrude, but not single direction, but selected triangle normals. Oof. And I can try to match it up, something like that. Doesn't really give me much. I think I'm going to try to extrude. There's this option called even. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I kind of want to try to match it with this. Let's try again. Something like this, something like that. Cool. Let's see. Okay, one way to do this is poly edit and get the vertices. Okay, hopefully. We got some snapping here, let's see. I think that might work. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice. Okay, let's double check. Okay, cool. Okay. And then I'm just going to go to UVs, project UVs, box, and reset. That might be too much. One cool thing that will make this more interesting might be going here. Do we have an edge?
Yes. That looks really good.
Hey Ryu, how are you? You see, Ryu is the creator of the project.
You are doing some good stuff. Love.
I appreciate it, Ryu.
Finally finished with the family.
It's nice. It's nice that you're spending time with family. Very, very important. Got my morning music playing. That's funny. Yeah, something like this, but I need to get those up. Yeah, I worked on the bridge today. I wanted to ask you how to get the water flux to interact with the bridge a little nicer. Let me show you. Just want to get this angle right. Something along those lines. Maybe the extrude is too far away. Yeah, I was working on the bridge.
One SEC. What do you want to ask me? You are big one.
I wanted to ask you this, how to fix this stuff. I'm a little bit quiet. You mean like, yeah, maybe. I'm just finishing this flu medicine that my dad told me to finish, and makes me a little sleepy. So here, you see, I would like to make the water react nicer to this block.
You grab the asset and add a tag.
Yeah, I was trying to do that. Do you know what the tag is? I see this little boat, and this boat has a tag called
Hit the
Flux hide. Maybe it is another one. Because this really doesn't look like it's. Oh, it's just floating. Okay, maybe if we push it into the water. Maybe is it on playtime that interacts? What is this texture?
Select all the objects. And add the tag flux hide.
Yeah, I was trying to do that, but it didn't work.
Grab the fluid flux water actor and rebuild.
I need to rebuild. That's what I needed.
It will fix the issue.
Awesome. Let's try it. So let's come here and add flux hide. And then I need to go into fluid flux water actor and rebuild it. That's what I was trying to find. Where can I rebuild the thing? Fluid flux water actor. Fluid. Is it water?
It has to be on all the top parts as well. In water flux folder.
All right, let's see. I will add it to the rest. Just want to find this. Fluid flux water actor.
Grab the first one, coastline.
Coastline.
Remove the tag builder. And define the rebuild option.
Remove the tag field. And then find the rebuild options. Okay, let's find the rebuild. Okay, generate procedural mesh. No. Let's find just rebuild. It might be generate procedural mesh from simulation state.
It's on the other one.
On the other one, you mean another blueprint?
No. Flux coastline domain.
Domain. Oh, okay.
Stop generate.
Oh, I see. On domain. Rebuild, I see. Okay, let's try it. Okay, first of all, let's try to
You keep passing it. Tongue sticking out.
move
It's the top one.
all descendants. Yeah, I found it. Now it's just probably the delay. Let's add a tag right here. Oof, what's going on? Oof, damn it. PCG didn't like this. Okay, there you go. All right. Yeah. Oof. What's going on with PCG? Let me turn it off. Okay.
No. You have the PCG stuff selected. Oh lordy, this is gonna be bad.
Are you sure? selecting the main bridge stuff. I'm pretty sure I'm not selecting. Yeah, pretty sure I'm not selecting anything. Yeah, I think I'm selecting the bridge only. Huh.
It was selected face with tongue. You can see it highlighted.
Let's activate it again.
And the road parts have to be set with the tag as well.
The road parts. It is selected. Okay, let me select this and get rid of this tag right here. Okay, cool. We got the PCG clean. Okay. You said the road parts. The road parts.
See, the trees are selected, tongue sticking out.
Yeah, now I got rid of the tag on the PCG spline forest. You were right. I added the flux hide tag to that. Let's try to rebuild.
When you moved the bridge, the middle road part did not move.
Let's check it out. Main bridge, select all descendants. Why is it selecting? What? Wait, this is not supposed to be in that folder, the PCG thing? Oh, is it? What? Let me pull it off. Move to root. Okay. I see. Okay, select all descendants. Okay, let's move it.
CPCG is selected. Sad face.
Yeah, it was inside a folder I made. Now it's out. Now it's on the root. So let me just fix this super quickly. Let me get the other parts of the bridge that are supposed to be.
See the road parts.
Yeah, this was not in the folder. Let me add it up.
Those road parts did not move up.
Let me.
And the fire stuff.
The fire stuff. I think the fire stuff it's on the folder. Let me check.
Yeah, you got it.
Let's move these two. Bridge, the bridge folder, which is it's called main bridge. There you go. Okay, now if we go to that folder, into the main bridge, turn it off, turn it on, and right click, select all descendants, and we should be able to just get the bridge. Nice. Okay, and now we should be able to add the water flux, tag. I'm just gonna again delete the tag, add the tag, which is this one. Okay, flux hide. Cool. Let's save, and let's try to rebuild the water. 1 hour later. Okay, so again, water flux, get rid of the thing, the domain, and here we should be able to rebuild all. Oh, it's fixed. Yay, that was nice. Now we know how to do it. Yay! Now it looks nice. That was quick. Yeah, now that I look at this bridge, I'm like, I kind of want to change some stuff. This might not be the right thing for the bridge. We need to make it closed. Yeah. Well, no problem. That'll be an easy fix. Do do do.
Yeah, well, it looks good so far. Well done, good sir.
Awesome. Yeah, this I mean, it really feels much more interesting to walk on. Nice. Hey, I saw a little issue here. Oh, I see. It's not actually the same size. I think I can just copy this value.
You are deafening your flow.
Nice.
Face I can tell.
Yeah, this bridge really, I mean, it really needs it needs more work, but it's kind of nice. I can really get some interesting stuff tomorrow. Hopefully I will get to do a longer stream. I got these construction workers coming, which I'm not very happy about, because my landlord wants to do some stuff that I don't really care about. It's like he wants to paint some walls and he wants to change some lights. I'm like, dude, I don't really care about that thing. There's only one thing that I totally agree. There's like it's been very rainy these days, and there's a not a water leakage, but there's some kind of humidity accumulating in the room where you clean your clothes, the laundry room, and that could damage the apartment in the long run, right? So I'm like, yeah, you can definitely do that thing, but they were like, no, we need our guys to come super early because we got a lot of things to change and get fixed. And I'm like, dude, like, the only thing that you need to do is that thing, and it probably takes like an hour. So they're coming very early tomorrow. I'm like, no, but at the same time, it's okay, because that way I can like try to start streaming pretty quick, pretty early. So I probably need to go to bed soon, which I kinda don't wanna do, but it's probably the best. And these stairs really don't feel nice. Nope, I'm not supposed to have stairs bigger or higher than this. Yep. Nope. They cannot be higher than this thing. I need to push them down a little. Yeah, this thing right here. We got some messy situation going with these pillars and these kind of pieces that I was trying to make. I'm going to also, this thing is to, oh, now that I look at it has a bunch of mistakes. It's not even centered, and the distance between this thing and this is too much. It's kind of funny when you look at things with fresh vision. How do you say it? Like, after taking a break, it's like, oh no, this is not good.
LOL. Well, that happens.
But it's nice. It's nice. Like, the like, if you think about it, like, I'm realizing a lot of things that it's going to, like, it's going to be very important for when we create the modular pieces, and it's part of the process. Like, now I have the location of all of these things, and I have the exact, like, the place, like, very like, I have the location of most assets kind of set. For example, just even like set dressing stuff like this, like, like, now we have this location, and then we have, oh, it's grouped. Well, I can unlock it for now, but we have, like, all these kind of placement of things, so this can, like, really help in the long run. Let's try to no, I need to flatten this out a little bit. I need to be careful, cause, yep, maybe erosion.
Well, when I get back to my house and my computer, I will be able to fine-tune those things, and we can solidify it for sure.
Yeah, that's.
And yes, once we get some set parts together, it will make life much easier.
Yeah, that's going to be super nice. Okay, for this kind of situation here, I usually like to use ramps. I click here, and I try to make it like this, and then the width, I like to go like this, and hopefully this will cut the terrain out. Let's add ramp. Nice.
I would plan for that around next weekend. Maybe we can set some time to do that.
Yeah, that'll be nice. That'll be very nice. Let's see. I need to check the map that you gave me. But yeah, definitely. I'm getting this area a little bit more worked. And then, I mean, yeah, it will be. I don't know. Maybe it could be interesting to just try to finish this area to 100%, and then we can, like, learn from this thing and see how can we improve the other areas.
I would say we are pretty close to finished.
Well, the light tower, the bridge, and the harbor area, I still feel.
So milestone 1, in your grasp for sure. Love.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I still feel like.
I agree. That would not be a bad idea.
Oops. I moved this. No, it doesn't want to go back. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I think that could be nice. So we can like develop like a workflow. Oh no. No, why is it snapping like this? Huh. Okay. Let's see. Add ramp. Okay, that's a nice ramp. Cool. going to go into flatten, and very carefully with a small brush I would like to pick it up here just a little bit, and then maybe with a smooth brush just a little bit here. Again, flatten, just push it a little bit. Nice, nice. It's okay to get it a little bit out. Okay, and then maybe smooth, erosion. There you go. It's okay. I can just add a little. Let's rebuild. We got that floating rocks. Those floating rocks we can solve by going into rebuild grass. Where is it? Grass maps, I guess. No, that's a question I wanted to ask you. Like, these floating rocks, how can we fix them? Because I have them somewhere. This is not shading nicely. Let's see. There you go. Okay. Okay, that's good. I'm not gonna.
If grass maps don't work, go to terrain and paint dirt. It will fix.
Build terrain, landscape. Okay. And oops, what's going on here? Landscape.
No. Go to landscape mode. And paint dirt.
Hey, two, how are you? Yeah, let me try that thing. Paint dirt. So we got dirt right here. Let's go rebuild. Why is it shading like that? Huh. Let's see, manage, sculpt, smooth. Erosion. Okay, rebuild. Wow, why is it doing that? Smooth. Let's go with a
Paint grass.
bigger brush. Okay.
Then paint dirt again.
Rebuild. Okay, nice. We got rid of that shading problem for now. Yeah, we might need to create a paint layer without any PCG attached to it, because I'm getting this thing on this other area. Let me show you. For the tunnel, I'm getting these floating rocks. Before that was floating grass, which it's I try to get yeah. Hey Suriel, how are you? Hola. So yeah, I did not get the floating rocks off there, but let's try what you said. Let's see. That's a nice view from here. It will be so cool to get these houses.
Because you're using mask out.
Mask out. the visibility thing that you showed me to create tunnels. Landscape paint. Let's try to paint grass. It's funny because these textures look a little bit like tree leaves. I really like the grass.
Mask out uses the layer detail. It just makes it masked. Visibility. I can fix it, but it's not PCG related. I need to make a layer that doesn't have anything on its font, so that when you use the
That's what I was thinking of, making another layer that will not spawn anything on it.
mask layer, it doesn't do that.
That'll be very nice. But yeah, that's not a big issue for now. Okay.
Grass texture matches the other grass, not long grass.
Oh yeah. I see. The short grass. That makes sense. Okay. Oh, this little piece of grass right there. Let me cut it out.
If this does not fix it, this means spline ramps cause the issue with the terrain.
That could be it. Yeah, I always wondered how.
You're using the ramp, and the ramp is modifying the world. Interesting.
You mean sculpting with the landscape?
Go to the build menu and build landscape splines.
Landscape splines. Landscape spline meshes, okay. Let me get one mesh like this and push it a little bit like this. Okay, let me copy this location. Yeah, it doesn't, like, it's not a big issue. We can definitely fix that later.
Turn off PCG and turn it back on. Let me see if that fixes it. I think you need to rebuild PCG.
Oh yeah, that could be it. Yeah, never. Yeah, that's probably it. Let's try that out. That probably is the thing. It needs to recalculate. All right, let me now just push this a little bit. Let's go to sculpt, flatten here. Just let me push this. Oh, not so much. Just a little bit. And then smooth. Something like this. Yeah, this really doesn't matter now. That was not a nice sculpt. What I need is flatten brush. Oh, not. Yeah, this is a little tough to achieve on when you have a slope. All right, let's go back to the PCG thing. Yeah, I can sculpt landscape for 4 hours. I need to be careful with this. I remember in the other project, like the Dragon Island, I used to sculpt for so long. Yeah, that's it. No more. Let's just cut it here, and let's go to PCG. So it's okay. Let's turn it on. And it's called Spline Forest. And let's find the PCG graph, which it should be somewhere here. PCG. I found it last time. Is it the data layers? No, it's. Oh, maybe it's a little bit lower here. Okay, there you go. PCG. Okay.
You have no issues. It fixed it.
Oh, nice. It's already okay. Nice. No need to recalculate.
It doesn't fix your issue or the mask layer.
I don't think it's gonna fix it. Let me see.
I will have to do that with the landscape material when I get time to do so.
Yeah, we need.
I will wake up early and fix it in the morning. While your stream never recommended to me again until now.
Oh no. Hey Adam, how are you? Well, there's other things that YouTube thinks you should watch before this. Let's check it out. There you go. That flatten brush is so nice. My favorite. Yeah, the erosion brush and the flatten brush is pretty nice. But that's okay, because again I can spend all night just pushing terrain. Nice. Alright, so we got something going on. Here I think that we can have also a yeah, this I need better integration there, and here I need some kind of like fence, and here as well. This fence I'm gonna change for like a wall, and here I would like this to be like a little bit more like this. Yeah, not so much of a difference between the thing, something like that, but that I'll do tomorrow. so we can have this kind of like nice railing going up here, and then probably here I would like to add maybe those here. Let's see. Oops. This is, let's get this rotation, which is 0. What? Maybe this looks more interesting, and it makes more sense to have it attached on the floor. That's okay. Maybe I need this to be a little bit. That's the nice thing of not having textures. You can just stretch things around. Not too much, because then things also start looking funky. That little fence is kind of nice, because, and then we have this kind of gap here, which I don't know, maybe could have some vegetation, or maybe we can push the landscape a little bit, or maybe have some rocks. Yeah, need to think about it. This house is like a little bit out of the thing. Well, those details, it's okay. getting to little things.
Is this from the same game of your previous environments before?
No, the Dragon Island project, the one that used a lot of Cinti polygon assets, that project is on pause. Like it's on standby. This is another project. This is called Imperium. The other one actually, well, didn't have a name. I still feel like this is too long.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, this is another project, which is pretty cool, because it's a little bit more advanced. So we already have a character. It has like attack animations, and it's there's enemies, and there's a bunch of stuff. This is a Ryu's project, and he has been working on this for a couple of months. I think like 8 months, something like that, maybe more. And we have enemies, which for some reason they don't have a weapon. This came out friendly. I didn't know that we had friendly NPCs. Oh yeah, you can still attack them. And the coolest thing is that you can like equip like anything that they drop. Okay, now we have an enemy. So let's see. Oof. Okay. Yeah, these are, when you get that little thing and you block, they might get dizzy. So the idea is to like collect gear and go through different arenas and dungeons. Wow, it's funny. Some of them are just friendly. It's like, or maybe it happens because they don't have a weapon. I'm still, yeah, I'm getting a lot of these kind of like friendly skeletons. Oof, it's. I'm still getting used to dodge in like different directions. Yeah, for some reason they're not getting dazed. Um, oh, all right.
The
Let me see.
skeleton you chose to spawn could be bad.
Could be like, you mean broken?
They are not getting dazed cause your timing is off. Tongue sticking out.
Oh, I have 0 potions. That's why I cannot heal myself. Um,
No, the monster type you chose to spawn could be one that is set to friendly for testing. We don't limit the choice you can spawn.
yeah, I have different types of skeleton. That might be the thing.
So, I would have to see your spawner entities.
Yeah, let's see what we got there. Okay, we spawning a BP character NPC skeleton, skeleton berserker, and skeleton tank. Maybe one of those is friendly. Alright. I think I should probably go to bed because hopefully these guys come a little bit late tomorrow. But
Interesting. Remove the skeleton.
it's funny because it started happening.
And berserker should be good.
Yeah, it started happening like lately. Like I remember the first time I set it up, they were not spawning like that. But yeah, I should probably go to bed because if I keep playing with the skeletons, I might stay for.
Was this all made by you?
No, this is a reuse project. This is a project that he has been developing for a.
First note. Let's see if it happens.
All right, let me test it. He has been developing this for about a year.
Okay. Have a good night.
Let's check it out quick. Oh. But I'm helping Ryu with the level design, the block out. Okay, these look pretty aggressive. Oh, we still have a friendly one right there. Maybe it's just that they appear without weapon and then become friendly. I don't know. Okay, I got it. Yeah, that was way off. Oh, okay. Nope. It's on the last second that you need to.
What interesting mechanic.
Okay, let me try it. No, it's on the last second. Nope.
At Adam Tech Tips, what is?
The friendly skeleton. I cannot dodge at the direction I'm pressing.
Sorry, I mean the light movements, camera, and stuffs. As soon as you see the blue particle spawn, that is when you have to block. Remind me of more frame. At Adam Tech Tips, nice.
It's okay, I got one.
You're about 0.5 SEC off.
Yeah, that was way off, but
You have 7 frames.
that's too short.
It's like less than 0.5 SEC. You have to anticipate.
Let me see.
It's not meant to be easy, tongue sticking out. I can get it, almost every time, blinky face.
The thing that confuses me is like the animation, because I put the shield when he's going to hit me.
Imperium.
Yeah, I'm trying to like, if you block the attack on a specific time, you get the component DC. There you go.
What he is currently trying to do is, yes. It's called a perfect parry.
Yeah, I would like the enemies to have charged attacks.
Maybe press the parry button once the skeleton moved his arm.
Yeah, I was trying to match the animation, but it's that's the problem. That's what got me confused, because it's not exactly when you see the attack coming. It's like when you get the little sign.
The particle spawns above his head, 7 frames before you must press the block.
Oh, all right. and when and when they kill you, it's like, all right, goodbye. Okay. This market. Oh, this is going to be nice. Really like this.
So, if you press the block, when the particle system starts, you will get a perfect parry. If you are outside of that, you don't. Anyway, get some rest, man.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. That's That's probably a good idea. We need to randomize these rocks. Eh, it's funny. Oh. Perfect. This is going to be this is going to be a super nice thumbnail.
It is there for placeholder. I need to make coral.
Oh, it's going to be coral. Oh, nice, 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 nice. That's pretty cool.
That is going to look amazing. Love.
Yeah, this tower. It's oh, what is this? Is it the is it is it lighting? Ah, let me check. Oh yeah. Whoa, it's crazy how you get these shapes of shadow here. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, this is not perfectly in place. Anyways. And here these windows are a little bit too long. And yeah, before I go to bed, I think I just wanna fix this little thing.
It's moving. Tongue sticking out.
I feel like this is way too much. This is way too much. Let me just try to get that modeling. I mean, the geometry, like that, the shape of the shadow, it looks pretty cool. Let me see if I can I cannot scale it exactly how I want, but it makes it a little bit shorter. Looks a little bit nicer. Still too much, I would say. Let's see what happens if I go like this. Oh no. Well, I think that's a little better. I would like this to match this thing. Yeah, it's too pointy. I don't.
Turn off snap scale. Tongue sticking out.
Yeah, I was trying with snapping and without snapping, but I don't think that works inside the modeling tools or maybe it does. It just, since we are working with 4 different angles at once, might cause that issue of not really having much control on it. But yeah, we can continue with this tomorrow. Oh, I know how to make it less pointy.
That is odd.
Yeah, I believe it's just because the selection. I believe this might happen because I'm selecting 4 different sides. If I were just to select one single face, I think it should probably work. But since I'm like doing this very
All good. We can fix that in Maya.
oh yeah, Maya, we can get it like that's better. That's better. I like this angle. It's not so pointy. Nice. Way better. Yeah, that's that's a little better. Let's see, project. Okay, cool. So we're gonna have another building here, and we might have a some kind of structure underneath the tower. That will be very cool. And once I get this a little bit more finished, we can actually fracture this and see how maybe it will be nice to have like a piece fracture, and then we can go up through the I don't really like this corner. uh, Anyways, I think I'm going to too crazy with this tower. I'll try to follow the the reference a little bit more. I think I'm going to experimental with this. Mm-hmm. And this thing, yeah, I don't really like this kind of round thing here. Yeah. Well, anyways,
I wouldn't spend too much time on it. We can link up next week and get more focused details. I would say we need to block out a few other things.
yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm getting caught in the details. Yeah, I should probably just keep on the layout aspect of things. Yeah, definitely.
But that is for next weekend. Thanks for all the work and streams. Great stuff.
I appreciate it, Ryu. Yeah, I'll try to check out the older version that you had and see if I can place the other house and do the stairs or the elevator stuff and just yeah, just work on layout. I'm getting caught in the details too quick. Okay, well. Uh, Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Alright, good night.